contributions have left. And the next
Thank you, ma'am. I request the students to proceed for the
dedication. I will serve mankind. With love and compassion. Creed, religion, and nationality. I will endeavor to maintain. As a member of healthcare team. I will hold in confidence. Personal matters of my clients. Confidence in care. Rendered by me. I will refrain from any activity. That will harm my personal.